In this video, I'm going to do the technical analysis of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 28th of June 2021. This is the weekly chart and these are the weekly candles. If you see this candle, this last candle that was formed for the week of 21st June, then this is a bullish candle. Uh, this candle was not supposed to form in this week because there was this very heavy fall in the market. There was some rebound expected for this week, but not this much. So there was some very heavy manipulation in the market in this week, and this bullish candle was formed. In this week, there was no other news in the market, and which is why it is clearly seen that this week the market was manipulated. Now, the next week, what is going to happen is probably what will happen is that initially on Monday or on Tuesday, the market will try to move up. On Monday or on Tuesday, the market will try to move up and it will find this resistance, which is at 34,500. This resistance is at 34,500. This 34.5 will act as an immediate resistance for the market, and we'll have to see whether the market will be able to close above this resistance for 2 consecutive days. And if it closes above this resistance for 2 consecutive days, then there are chances that the market may further move up. And if not, then what will happen that the market will first try to rebound in the bear direction, and thereafter the market may try to move up. This thing will be more clear on the daily charts. So we will do the technical analysis on the daily chart once we are done with the technical analysis on the weekly charts. Then we have the support, and the support lies here at 33,500. The immediate support of the market is at 33,500. And then we have the stiff resistance, which is at 35,700. This resistance is at 35,700. So we have this support and resistances for the coming week, and the market is expected to run between these support and resistances. And if something happens, like if it was truly the market manipulation, in that case the market will come down, and it looks like that it was manipulation, but the market has to break below the EMA in order to come down. So that EMA will be the daily EMA on the daily chart. So if that happens, then the market will come down, and then we have this support, which is at 32,600. This support is at 32,600. So we have all of the support and resistances. Now let's talk about the technical indicators. Technical indicators, we have the moving averages. The moving averages, there is still a clear fan out, and as I'm repeating the same thing for last many weeks, that we have this fan out and the market has not closed below the moving average. So it's been like since November last year. So there are these 7 or 8 months. So for last 7 or 8 months, the market is above the moving average. Market has not closed below the moving average, and there is clearly a fan out. So this kind of situation, it supports the bull trend. It supports the bull trend. And in this kind of situation, what happens is that we always look for the dips. So whenever there is a dip, we buy. For example, there we had a dip here, and so it gave an opportunity to buy. So you were supposed to buy here, and then market moved up, and then again there was this dip, and then again there was this dip and these dips, and it can also be considered as a dip unless this candle is not the manipulated candle. Now comes the Ichimoku. So market is not expected to hit the Ichimoku anytime soon. It will take some time, like at least a month. a month or more. So it will take that much of time. And then we have some other technical indicators. These technical indicators, we have stock RSI. So look, stock RSI on the weekly chart. So after November, after November, the market was in the bullish zone. It was in the bullish zone, and it has never closed, or it has never came below 50. But now the stock RSI, it came below 50. The stock RSI, the K channel is at 23 and the D is at 40. So which means, which again puts a suspicion that this particular candle is a manipulated candle. Means the purpose of this candle was to trap the retail users. This was the purpose of this candle if it was manipulated as it seems to be. So the purpose of this candle was to trap the retail users so that they can follow the same and they buy, and then on some day the market manipulators, they will sell heavily and the market will come down. So stock RSI is bearish. Stock RSI is saying that the market is bearish, that market must come down. And we have the MACD. MACD is also bearish. We have the momentum. So market lost its momentum on this day only. Sorry, in this week only. So all of these technical indicators are saying that there is a that there is a bear movement in the market. So considering this situation, what we need to do is that we need to sit and we need to watch like what happens in the market on Monday and Tuesday, and accordingly we have to decide if on Monday and Tuesday, market closes above this particular resistance, and if it is able to break the high of 35,091, then only we can say that the market has potential to move up. But if it fails to close above this particular resistance, or if it fails to close above this one, the high of this candle, and if it shows the signs of some this in the direction of the bears, then for sure the market will come down. Now let's move on to the daily chart. We are here on the daily chart. If you see that on the daily chart, there were these candles, and there was only one candle that was bearish in nature. Otherwise, all of these four candles, they were bullish in nature. Secondly, the market closed above on the daily basis for this week. The market closed above two of the moving averages. Sorry, these all of these moving averages. So which is indicating that the market will move up. But again, we have to see whether the market was manipulated or not. If the market was manipulated, in that case the market will on Monday, probably on Monday, the market will show some signs of the bullish movement, and thereafter the market will come down, because there are many people who are trapped here, and the market manipulator will also trap these people again in the same direction. And then once there is enough volume, then the market manipulators will sell, and then the market will come down. And if it is not manipulated, in that case we'll have to wait and see what happens on Monday and Tuesday. So through candles and through the moving averages, it is very clear that there is a bull movement in the market on the daily chart. Now, if we talk about some other indicators, then we have the stock RSI. On the daily chart, the stock RSI is moving up, and there is a bull movement in the market. But there is a problem with the MACD. The MACD is not supporting the stock RSI. This MACD and the stock RSI, they must support each other in a particular direction in order for the market to get a direction. So when one of these indicators, either stock RSI or MACD, is not supporting the other, in that case, what we need to do is that we need to wait and watch until we see that both of these indicators are supporting each other. So here the situation is very dicey. Anything can happen. And also, if we talk about the momentum, no, there is no momentum neither in the bear direction nor in the bull direction. Okay, guys. So overall, considering all of the aspects, we are still not sure whether the market will move up or the market will come down. So what you need to do is that you need to wait and watch the market on Monday, especially on Monday, and then on Tuesday. Like what happens in the market? If the market moves up and closes above this resistance, and also if it closes above the high of the market, which was 35,091, in that case only we can assume that the market is moving up. And if it doesn't, if it fails to close above this resistance, then it will come down. So my advice is just wait and watch. Should you wish to participate in my stock market programs, then I have given the links of these programs in the description of the video. Okay guys, so this was my technical analysis for Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 28th of June 2021.